Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Chats Daily. Today we have something very special for you. We will practice English at a bus stop and train station. This is perfect for travelers and beginners. My name is Eva, and I am here with my friend George.
Hello, everyone. I am George. We will show you easy English phrases for public transport. You will learn how to buy tickets, ask about times, and be polite with other people.
George and I will speak slowly and use simple words. You can listen and repeat after us. This will help you feel confident when you travel.
Are you ready? Let us start our English practice together. Remember, speaking English gets easier with practice. Do not worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Let us imagine we are at a busy train station. George needs help buying a ticket and finding his train. Listen carefully to our conversation. Good morning, George. You look lost. Do you need help?
Yes, Eva, this is my first time at this station. I do not know where to buy a ticket. Can you help me, please?
Of course I can help you. The ticket office is over there. Do you see the blue sign that says tickets?
Yes, I see it now. Thank you, Eva. Will you come with me? I'm nervous about speaking English.
Do not worry, George. I will help you. The people at the ticket office are very nice. They speak slowly with tourists.
Thank you, Eva. You are very kind. Let us go to the ticket office together. Now, Eva will speak to ticket counter and I will play the role of ticket officer.
Good morning. We would like to buy train tickets, please.
Good morning. Where do you want to go today?
We want to go to Central City, please. How much is the ticket?
The ticket to Central City costs $15 for one person. Do you want 2 tickets?
Yes, please. We want 2 tickets. Here's $30.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. The train leaves at 2:30 from platform 5.
What time is it now, please?
It is 2:15 now. You have 15 minutes before the train leaves.
Thank you very much. Which way is platform 5?
Go straight ahead and turn left. You will see the signs for platform 5.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip. Now, I will talk to Eva as George and we'll continue our conversation. Eva, we need to hurry. The train leaves in 15 minutes. Do you know where platform 5 is?
Yes, George. Follow me. We go straight and then turn left. Look, there's the sign for platform 5.
Great. I see the train. Is this the right train to Central City?
Let me check. Excuse me, is this the train to Central City?
Yes, this train goes to Central City. It leaves in 10 minutes.
Thank you. George, this is our train. Let's find good seats.
The train looks crowded, Eva. I hope we can find seats together.
Look, George, there are 2 empty seats near the window. Let me ask if they're free. Excuse me, are these seats free? Can we sit here, please?
Yes, these seats are free. Please sit down.
Thank you very much. You are very kind. George, we're lucky to find seats together. Now we can relax and enjoy the trip.
Yes, Eva, thank you for helping me today. I was scared to speak English at first, but everyone was very nice.
You did very well, George. Your English is getting better. Practice makes perfect.
The ticket person was very patient with us, and the other passengers were friendly too.
Exactly, George. Most people are happy to help when you're polite and speak slowly.
I learned many useful phrases today. Now I feel more confident about traveling.
That's wonderful, George. Next time you travel, you can buy tickets by yourself.
Yes, I think I can. Thank you for being such a good teacher, Eva.
You are welcome, George. Remember to always say please and thank you. People appreciate good manners.
I will remember that, Eva. Politeness is important in every language.
Now, let us practice the phrases we learned today. Listen and repeat after us. Take your time and do not rush.
Where can I buy a ticket?
How much is the ticket?
What time is the train?
Which platform, please?
Is this the right train?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Excellent practice, everyone. These phrases will help you travel anywhere English is spoken. Remember to speak slowly and clearly. Do not be afraid to ask for help.
Most people are patient and kind to English learners. They understand that English is difficult and they want to help you.
Practice these phrases at home. Say them out loud many times. This will help you remember them when you travel.
Next week, we will practice English at a restaurant. We will learn how to order food and ask for the bill. Make sure to subscribe and join us again.
Thank you for listening to English Chats Daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, every conversation makes you better.
Have a wonderful day and happy travels, everyone. See you next time for more English practice. Goodbye.